A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. When you wake up, take a second to think about what a privilege it is just to simply be alive. The moment we start acting like life is a blessing, I assure you, it will start to feel like one. Resolve from now on to see your glass of life as half full rather than half empty. You were born enough. You are awesome, worthy, and deserving of love. You deserve happiness and success. It's not by chance that you have arrived here, on this planet, right now, at this very time. You are not a mistake. There is only one you, and people need what you bring to the world. You are uniquely you. That's your superpower. No matter what anyone says, you are enough. If you don't believe this now, some part of you, deep down, knows that this is true. Whatever you want to accomplish, you have what it takes. You are strong enough. You are brave enough. You are capable enough. You are worthy enough. It's time to stop thinking otherwise and start believing in yourself, because no one else has the dreams that you have. No one else sees the world exactly like you do. And that's your power. No one else holds that same magic inside of them. It's time to start believing in the power of you. Not next year, not next month, not tomorrow, but now.